Hi, this is Amy, the teen librarian from the Stevens Library, and I'm here to give you some quick instructions on this week's teen craft. So today we're going to be making some felt pins. You can use these to create emojis or other text typing that you would use. For example, I'm just doing an ellipses, which is the ... that you get when you are waiting for someone to reply. So the first thing you need is the felt that is in your kit. I included either a white or a gray or a beige sort of color, as well as a couple of different bright colors in your kit. So the first thing you want to do is take the lighter color, the white or the beige, and create a speech bubble. Next, what you want to do is put some glue onto the back of that speech bubble that you made. And what you're going to do is glue it onto one of the pieces of colored felt that I included in the kit. And you're going to cut around the speech bubble that you made, basically making a larger version of the speech bubble behind the original one. So therefore kind of giving it a colorful frame. And then the next thing you want to do is decide what you're gonna use inside the speech bubble. In my case, I did the ellipses, and so I cut out the 3 little dots there. You can cut out smiley faces, sad faces, angry marks, whatever you want. And so you just cut those out and glue it onto your speech bubble. The next step would be to take one of the clear pins that I included in the kit, and what you want to do is basically pop it out of its place because it's 2 pieces. Turn around the piece with the pin in it so that the pin is facing outwards, because otherwise you won't have anything to pin your pin to. And then once you have that, you just pop it back into place and make sure it's secure. And then you take some of the glue that was included in the kit and just glue a good amount onto the top of the pin, and then secure the felt piece that you created and put it on top. And then you allow it to dry. You can pin it wherever you like, just like this. Well, I hope that makes sense. I have written instructions below, so you can reference those as well as the video. Thank you, and have a good day.